Right now, across the United States, something unusual is happening inside the job market. Millions of people are still going to work every morning. Offices are open. Factories are running. Businesses look normal on the surface. But underneath, a silent transformation has already begun. Artificial intelligence is not waiting for the future anymore. It is already helping companies decide who gets hired, how work gets done, and which skills are becoming valuable. And for the first time in modern history, technology is not just replacing physical labor. It is starting to challenge human thinking itself. For decades, automation mainly affected factory jobs. Machines replaced repetitive physical work, while human workers moved toward office careers and creative industries. Many believed education would protect jobs from automation. But artificial intelligence changed that assumption completely. Today, AI systems can write reports, analyze data, answer customer questions, design images, and even assist doctors and lawyers. Tasks that once required years of training can now be completed in seconds. Companies are not necessarily firing workers immediately. Instead, they are quietly restructuring how work happens. One employee supported by AI can now do the work that once required 3 or 4 people. This shift is gradual, almost invisible, which makes it even more powerful. Customer service is one of the first industries experiencing rapid transformation. AI chat systems now handle millions of conversations every day, solving problems without human agents. In finance, algorithms analyze markets faster than any human analyst could. In journalism, AI tools assist with research, summaries, and draft writing. Even software developers are working alongside AI coding assistants that can generate complex programs instantly. But this does not always mean jobs disappear. Instead, job roles evolve. Workers spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time supervising, verifying, and making strategic decisions. The workplace is becoming a collaboration between humans and intelligent machines. And companies adopting AI early are gaining massive productivity advantages. Experts suggest that jobs involving predictable digital tasks face the highest risk. Administrative roles, data entry positions, basic accounting tasks, and routine analysis are increasingly automated. But surprisingly, highly educated professions are also feeling pressure. Legal research, medical documentation, and financial reporting can now be assisted by advanced AI systems. The reason is simple. Artificial intelligence does not get tired. It works continuously and improves with data. However, history shows that technological revolutions rarely eliminate work entirely. Instead, they redefine which skills matter most. Creativity, emotional intelligence, leadership, and problem-solving are becoming more valuable than memorization or routine expertise. The question is no longer whether AI will change jobs. The real question is how quickly people can adapt. While some jobs decline, entirely new careers are emerging. AI trainers, prompt engineers, data specialists, and automation managers are becoming essential roles inside modern companies. Businesses now need people who understand both technology and human behavior. Small startups can compete with large corporations because AI tools reduce costs and increase efficiency. Individuals with creativity and adaptability may find more opportunities than ever before. In many ways, AI acts like a powerful amplifier. It increases the productivity of skilled workers while forcing outdated systems to evolve. The future workforce may not work longer hours. Instead, people may focus on higher-level thinking while machines handle routine execution. Every major technological revolution has created fear at the beginning. The industrial age replaced manual labor but created modern economies. The internet disrupted industries but connected the world. Artificial intelligence may become the next turning point in human work. Some jobs will disappear. Many will transform. And entirely new careers will emerge. The future will not belong to humans or machines alone. It will belong to those who learn how to work together with intelligence they helped create. The transformation has already started. And the decisions made today will shape how millions of people work tomorrow.